Epstein files on the global and international news headlines, going and poking on through everyone in this current scenario. So, what do you actually mean by Epstein files? Who was Jeffrey Epstein actually? More about this. Jeffrey Epstein was a person who got up with arrest related to a large sex trafficking for underage girls, including them not below 18 but below 14 itself, and 14-year-old young girls. So, what do you mean actually by the document released by the Department of Justice, the Epstein file, which almost contains 3 million documents? But currently, what is the actual conflict over here? The public figures and social figures online today. What do you mean by this? For this case, the names of these peoples are represented and presented all around. So that's not just a simple thing you think so, but even the US President Donald Trump, Prince Andrew, Bill Clinton, Bill Gates, and so many social figures are being victed to this case. So this is a case because it got high relevance because of the misusing and sexually abusing the young girls and minors. Here you can see a lady known as Ghislaine Maxwell, who is somehow just like a partner and who is always with who she's a British socialist and always with whom? The Jeffrey Epstein. But let me say you, my friends, this is not just a thing how you can just simply speak about, but you need to understand so many type. His main thing in the 2019 he was arrested, but there's also some confusions there. Was that actually a suicide in the jail itself? But so many type of mysteries hidden out in his death, and so many type of histories and mysteries evolving case. But in the election time, Donald Trump said that he would expose and he would show the people the real file documents for his, somehow it would be a tactics for becoming the US president of the America. But it's important to know that so many type of bad faces of another face of bad have been got it up. So nothing to eliminate from this, but you must need to understand that in 2008 he got up with a special privilege in his jail for the sex trafficking, force abusing small young girls. And there was a case of 2008, but he got up with so many. His privilege was not this much. His one of the thing that maybe about his was a financial in the US. That's the main thing. He got up with many friend relationships and many friend relationship, the wealthiest, the richest relationship with the richest and the political global form, global faces. And we must need to know that he was a financial US, and he also was the wealthiest and richest personality. But in his 2008 prisoning time of which was given just only 13 months of prison in jail, and not over from that, but some more things that he can work during the daytime for 12 hours outside. It's also important 6 days in a week he can go out, and so many types of. But I think we must say to you that even his partner Maxwell, the Gazillion Maxwell, got up with a judgment of prison of 20 years. But what? Why only for the person who actually done it or do it just got only 13 months? So there are all somehow a type of bad things like the financial and friend relationships. But it's not an yen, but the things that there's no evidences with type of central minister of India itself and Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, so many names of these peoples and the transnational investments, all these type of names and also shown in the logs and flight logs, callers and everything of Epstein, Jeffrey Epstein, and these in the including the Epstein files. About you must need to know that about 38,000 references are there for Donald Trump in the Epstein files. So that much type of mysteries are hitting up, but we can't say that even though they are. But we must need to know that not even could be said, but I let me just include that. Even the budget, you must need to know that the central budget is America and India, a trade link. but that wasn't able to happen as they were got up with somehow no relationships, but they got with a relationship after this. It could be said that these all peoples were able to have a relation somehow. Some types of mystery would be there somehow. There can be as the Europe relations were there, but how, what happened, that actually is a little question mark to everyone. So this was the video of today, but you must need to know no type of questioning more over like that, but a little confusion arrives over there. Let's leave that thing, but more about Epstein files can be said out during this period of time. And Epstein, who was Jeffrey Epstein, who was actually a big validating for the justice given for every ladies and girls. Let me conclude my words. Let's see in the next video. I'm Neha Sanarasan. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then.